Nobody saw the beginning. No witnesses. No applause. No promises made in public. Everything they see today was built when nobody was watching. I learned to walk through empty rooms, to make decisions in the gloom. No helping hand, no open gate. I built my road, I chose my fate. They saw the suit, they saw the car, but never knew how deep the scars. They only came when lights were on, they never stayed before the dawn. I kept my name out of their mouths, kept every plan inside the house. While they were talking in the light, I laid foundations every night. I was built in the dark, where the weak lose their way. Every star left a mark, every night made me brave. I don't need their approval, I don't live for remarks. They can look at the empire, but it was built in the dark. Built in the dark. Built in the dark. They only see the crown, they never saw the scars. Black windows cutting through the rain, cold city running through my veins. I keep my circle small and strong, I know exactly where I belong. No wasted words, no careless trust. Respect is earned and loyalty's a must. I never show the cards I hold. A quiet mind is worth more than gold. I never begged them to believe, I let the outcome speak for me. They heard the silence, missed the sound of every brick beneath the ground. I was built in the dark, where the weak lose their way. Every scar left a mark, every night made me brave. I don't need their approval, I don't live for remarks. They can look at the empire, but it was built in the dark. Built in the dark. Built in the dark. They only see the crown, they never saw the scar. Be careful who you tell your plans to. Some people listen only to learn where to strike. Work quietly, choose carefully, finish completely. Never explain the foundation to those who arrived after the building was done. No noise, no fear, no wasted years. One mind, one road, one code. I carried the weight when nobody cared. Now everybody watches when I enter the room. I was built in the dark, under pressure and rain. Every door that was locked only sharpened my aim. I don't need recognition, I remember my start. They can stand in the light now, but I was built in the dark.
Built in the dark. Built in the dark.
They only see the power, they never felt the cost. They call it luck, because they never saw the work. They call it power, because they never carried the weight. Remember, the strongest empires are built long before the world knows their name. They celebrate too early, They speak before the work is done. I learned a different way. Move in silence. Build in darkness. Let the results make the noise. Came from nights with empty streets, cold hands and unfinished dreams. No one saw the battles fought. No one knew what silence cost. I kept my plans behind closed doors, turned every loss into something more. While they were chasing empty praise, I was preparing better days. No applause, no flashing lights, just discipline and sleepless nights. Silence builds empires, pressure makes kings. I never talk about the future, I let them see what it brings. Money moves quietly, power never begs. A man who knows exactly where he's going doesn't need respect. Silence builds empires, let the results speak instead. Black, 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 black car moving through the rain. Another city, another game. No emotion on my face, every move is put in place. I don't compete with louder men, I build what they can't comprehend. They count the things that I possess, I count the moves that come next. No excuses, no retreat, I made the darkness work for me. Silence builds empires, pressure makes kings. I never talk about the future, I let them see what it brings. Money moves quietly, power never begs. A man who knows exactly where he's going doesn't need respect. Silence builds empires, let the results speak instead. Never reveal the whole plan, never celebrate before the victory. Stay calm, stay focused, stay dangerous. Real power doesn't enter the room loudly, it changes the room without saying a word. Silence builds empires, scars create strength. Every night I walked alone was another step ahead. Money moves quietly, success leaves no regrets. I don't need the world to praise me, I need the world to remember my steps. They were waiting for an explanation, I gave them a result. Real power never needs applause. Let them talk. Let them explain what they're going to do. Let them show the world every move before they make it. You keep working. Silence has always been the better strategy. They talk about the money, I remember having none. They talk about the victory, I remember where it begun. Cold nights, empty streets, no one waiting when I came. I had nothing but a reason and a fire without a name. They were busy being noticed, I was learning how to win. Every door they they tried to close only taught me how to get in. I stopped asking for approval, stopped explaining every plan, because the moment you need permission, you surrender who you are. Let them laugh, let them doubt, let them say you won't get out. You don't need to prove them wrong, just keep moving, just stay strong.
Let them talk,
I'll keep moving,
let them watch
what I become, while they're telling everybody I'll be getting it done.
Let them talk,
I don't hear them, I've been walking through the dark. They can judge me from the surface, they don't know what made the scars.
let them talk, let them talk.
When the work is finally finished, they'll have nothing left to say. I learned money loves attention only when you spend it wrong. Real wealth stays behind the curtain, quiet, patient, growing strong. I don't need the biggest table, I don't need the brightest room. Give me one decision made correctly, watch how quickly things can move. Some men flex before they have it, some men promise what they'll be. I stopped talking about tomorrow when today started paying me. Black car underneath the street lights, rain running down the glass. I don't celebrate too early, I remember moving last. Let them guess, let them stare, never show them what you carry there. Every move doesn't need a sound, quiet men can shake the ground.
Let them talk,
I'll keep moving,
let them watch
what I become, while they're telling everybody I'll be getting it done.
let them talk,
I don't hear them, I've been walking through the dark. They can judge me from the surface, they don't know what made the scars.
let them talk, let them talk.
When the work is finally finished, they'll have nothing left to say. Stop announcing your next move. The world doesn't need another promise, it needs proof. You want money? Become useful. You want respect? Become consistent. You want power? Learn to control yourself before trying to control anything else. And remember, the man who is truly winning doesn't have time to convince strangers that he is. No announcement, no permission, no excuses, just precision. One more night, one more move, one more reason not to lose. They can speak, they can judge, I've got nothing left to prove.
Let them talk,
I'll keep moving, I know exactly what I've done.
every mile nobody noticed.
Put me closer to the one.
Let them talk, let them wonder.
Let them question every scar.
They were watching for the moment.
I was building who we are.
Let them talk,
Let them talk. Because when results enter the room, conversation ends. Never argue with doubt. Never explain your ambition. Work, build, finish. Then let silence introduce you. The clock never asks if you are ready. It moves and leaves the answer behind. I watch the years cross every room, turn young men quiet. Old roads cold, we spoke as if we owned tomorrow, as if our nights could not grow old. But every glass becomes an echo, every promise meets its date. You can hide from men in memory, but time will never stop and wait. I learned to move before the moment turned to smoke inside my hands. A man who waits for perfect weather may never leave the place he stands. No warning, no second bell. The clock keeps moving whether you rise or fall. Time doesn't wait, not for kings or strangers. It takes the gold from every crown and turns strong walls to paper. Time doesn't wait, every breath becomes a choice. You either live the road before you or become another unheard voice. No pause, no later date. The night keeps moving. Time doesn't wait. Tick-tock, lights fade. Every second must be paid. One life, one road. Move now before it goes. I saw men save their finest words for days that never came. They kept their dreams behind locked doors until the locks forgot their names. Some waited for the fear to leave, some waited for the room to change. But courage is not feeling ready, it is moving anyway. The city turns beneath the rain. The old cafe still keeps one light. The chair where we planned forever stands empty every night. Sit down. The meeting has already begun. No phones, no names, only business. Every face already knows. No introductions, no mistakes, only decisions. Listen carefully, words are more expensive than gold. Silence is the strongest answer. Sit down, speak once, think twice. Leave only with permission. Sit down. The room decides who walks away. Sit down. No questions. Every handshake has a price. Every promise has a witness. Power doesn't shout. Power waits. Sit down. The deal is done. No applause, no celebration. Only respect. A suit can make you look important. Money can make people listen. But neither one can give a man weight that comes from what he survived, what he built, and what he never had to fake. I've seen gold on empty men, big rooms, weekends again. Seen a name without a spine. Seen a watch that couldn't buy time. So I learned to measure more, not by what walks through the door, not the car, not who you know, but the pressure you can hold. Every scar became a line, every loss refined the mind. Every night I stood alone, added weight no suit could own. I don't need to look the part, I built steel around the heart. When I enter, I don't speak, the room can feel what made me deep. No title, no display, still they notice when I stay. No boasting, no demand, respect can feel the weight of a man. It's the weight of a man, not the money in his hand, not the watch, not the car, not the people where he stands. It's the weight of a man, built by pressure, built by pain. You can copy every symbol, but you cannot fake the weight.
The weight of a man.
The weight of a man.
The weight of a man.
When the room goes quiet,
That is what remains.
I watch men by every sign, trying hard to look refined. But the second pressure came, all the polish left the frame. Real control is staying calm when the fire hits your palm. Real respect is what they give when they know how you will live. Money helps, but money leaves. Power tests what you believe. If your character is weak, more success just makes it leak. So I built from underneath, strong enough to never bleed. If tomorrow takes the shine, I still know exactly who is mine. Title, no display,
Still they notice when I stay.
no boasting, no demand.
Respect can feel the weight of a man.
It's the weight of a man, not the money in his hand, not the watch, not the car, not the people where he stands. It's the weight of a man, built by pressure, built by pain. You can copy every symbol, but you cannot fake the weight.
The weight of a man.
The weight of a man.
The weight of a man.
When the room goes quiet,
That is what remains.
status can be bought, attention can be rented, image can be manufactured, but presence is earned. It comes from keeping your word when it cost you, staying calm when anger would be easier, and caring more than people ever see. That is a way. No crown,
Still king.
no noise,
Still safe.
no proof.
Still known.
Built from pressure, built from stone, no label.
No disguise.
You can see it
In the eye.
in the eyes. It's the the weight of a man that decides how far he stands. Not the wealth, not the fame, but the strength behind the name. It's the weight of a man, what survives when lights all fade. Everything around him changes, but the man is what remains.
The weight of a man.
The weight of a man.
The weight of a man.
You can buy the image, you cannot buy the weight. Don't build the image first, build the man. The image will follow. Stop asking for a chance. Stop waiting for someone to notice. Become so good, so disciplined, so prepared that ignoring you becomes impossible. I spent years behind the door, learning what I needed for. No one came to pull me through, so I built what I could use. Every loss became a tool, every failure changed the rules. I stopped asking who would care, started building something rare. Cold mornings, empty nights, still I kept the target right. No applause to make me move, I had nothing left to prove. They can doubt what they don't see, that was never stopping me. If the room won't give me space, I become too hard to replace. No begging, no excuse, make yourself too strong to lose. No waiting, no delay, build the value. Every day become undeniable. Make them remember your name, not because you spoke the loudest, but because you changed the game.
Become undeniable. Let the results arrive first. Build until the same closed doors start asking what you're worth.
No permission, no applause, no one coming to your side. Become undeniable.
Then watch
how the world decides. I don't need a lucky break, I need habits no one takes. I don't need another sign, I need discipline and time. Some men wait for perfect days, some get lost inside the praise. I prefer the harder road because pressure builds the code. Money follows useful hands, power follows better plans. Respect follows what you do, not the image people choose. Black windows through the rain, same direction, higher aim. Every year I sharpen more till I'm stronger than before. No begging, no excuse, make yourself too strong to lose. No waiting, no delay, build the value. Every day become undeniable. Make them remember your name,
make them remember your name.
not because you spoke the loudest, but because you changed the game.
Become undeniable.
Come undeniable.
The results arrive first.
The road to ride first.
Build until the same closed doors start asking what you're worth.
No permission, no applause, no one coming to your side. Become undeniable.
Then watch
how the world decides. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You need skill. You need discipline. You need enough patience to keep working after the excitement is gone. One day, the same people who overlooked you will need what you built. That is the point. no plea.
Build the man you need to be.
No shortcut,
No disguise.
make your value impossible to hide.
Become undeniable. Let the pressure make you strong.
Let every year of being ignored
Prove how far you came to become undeniable.
no permission from the crowd.
You don't have to ask for entry when your work already speaks loud.
No approval,
No retreat.
no one choosing if you rise
Become undeniable.
and make them change their minds. Don't ask to be chosen. Build until they have no better choice.
Become undeniable.
No witnesses, no announcements. No one knew what I was building. They heard nothing until the doors opened. I made my moves behind the glass. No wasted words about the past. The city slept, the rain came down. I built my name without a sound. No one was there when money ran low. No one believed how far I would go. They see the suit, the car, the lights, but never saw those sleepless nights. I never needed them to stay. I learned to build another way. No empty praise, no helping hands. Just quiet moves and stronger plans. No witnesses when I was fighting for the throne. No witnesses when I was carrying it alone. Now they see the blacked out windows, now they recognize the name. But nobody saw the sacrifice behind the money and the fame.
No witnesses. No witnesses.
I built it all
When no one listened.
I kept my circle locked and small, because the closest watch you fall. A smiling face can hide a knife, so trust is earned, not given twice. I learned that silence keeps you strong, and patience proves who will belong. While we demanded praise, I worked unseen through darker days. I never showed the cards I played. I never told them what I made. They only noticed when the crown was heavy enough to shake the ground. No witnesses when I was fighting for the throne. No witnesses when I was carrying it alone. Now they see the blacked out windows, now they recognize the name. But nobody saw the sacrifice behind the money and the fame.
No witnesses. No witnesses.
I built it all
When no one listened.
Never tell the crowd what you are building. They will question the foundation before you place the final stone. Let them doubt, let them laugh, let them leave. When the work is finished, they will call it luck. No promises, no permission, cold decisions, clear vision, no applause, no forgiveness. Every empire starts with no witnesses.
No witnesses.
When every door was closing fast.
No witnesses.
When I was stronger than my prayers. Now the city knows my footsteps. Now the silence knows my name. They can celebrate the victory. the man. They miss the making. Success becomes visible only after the sacrifice is over. They arrived for the empire, but there were no witnesses when I built it. The loudest man in the room usually owns the least. Real power has no need to introduce itself. Watch closely. The man saying nothing may be controlling everything. Black wheels rolling through the rain, cold blood running through my veins. No names written, no deals shown. I learned to move and work alone. They make their promises too fast. I study every shadow cast. One quiet move, one careful hand, and suddenly I own the land. I never tell them what I know. I never show them where I go. They chase attention, lights, and fame. I build the system, rule the game. No warning signs, no wasted breath. A silent move can change what's next. Power doesn't speak, it makes the whole room listen. It never begs for loyalty, it sees through every hidden vision. Power doesn't speak, it doesn't need permission. While they are fighting for the crown, I'm making every cold decision. No noise, no fear, no weakness underneath. The strongest man in every room is the one who doesn't speak. Dark suit tailored, windows black. I never leave an open track. Every favor has a cost, every careless word gets lost. I keep my enemies in sight, my circle smaller every night. Respect is earned through what you do, not what the crowd believes is true. They count the money they can show, I count the doors that only I know. They celebrate before they win, I stay outside and let them in.
No empty threats, no grand display. I let their pride reveal the way.
Power doesn't speak, it makes the whole room listen. It never begs for loyalty, it sees through every hidden vision. Power doesn't speak, it doesn't need permission. While they are fighting for the crown, I'm making every cold decision. No noise, no fear, no weakness underneath. The strongest man in every room is the one who doesn't speak. Never interrupt your enemy when his ego is speaking. Never reveal your strength before the moment demands it. Listen longer, move later, finish first. A man with control doesn't react to the room. The room reacts to him. One look, one word, one door quietly closed. One call, one move, and everybody knows. No anger, no panic, no need to prove a thing. A crown is only decoration without the mind of a king.
Power doesn't speak,
it changes every position. It turns the darkness into gold through patience and precision.
power doesn't speak.
It leaves no contradiction. They may remember who was loud, but they obey the final decision.
No noise, no fear, no weakness underneath.
The strongest man in every room is the one who doesn't speak. Noise attracts attention. Silence protects the plan. And real power never explains who is in command. Everything has a price. Money, freedom, loyalty, power. The difference is simple. Most men discover the price after they've already agreed to pay it. I've seen money change a friend, seen a handshake reach its end, seen a promise dressed in gold turn to nothing when it's sold. So I stopped believing words, started watching what occurred. Every man reveals his worth when the pressure hits the dirt. Black coat underneath the rain, same expression, different game. I don't chase what disappears, I invest in better years. Every lesson left a mark, every loss improved the cards. Now I know before I buy, everything comes with a price.
Want the crown,
Carry weight,
want the money,
learn to wait,
want respect,
stand your ground,
nothing real
comes easy now. Everything has a price. Every victory takes something.
every road to a better life.
Starts when comfort means nothing.
You want money,
Paying time,
you want power,
paying discipline.
you want freedom,
Build a life that nobody else can limit. Everything has a price, so choose what you're willing to pay. Some men trade the peaceful fame, some lose family for a name. Some spend everything they own just to prove they're not alone. I learn different.
keep the house, keep the car,
If you don't control your mind,
you will never travel far.
money doesn't make you strong,
It just shows what was there all along.
give a fool a million more, you'll find a bigger way to fall. So I protect the things that last,
My decisions,
my name.
my past.
And before I make a deal, I decide what it can steal.
Want the crown,
Carry weight,
want the money,
learn to wait,
want respect,
stand your ground,
nothing real
comes easy now.
Everything has a price,
Every victory takes something.
every road to a better life.
Starts when comfort means nothing.
You want money,
Paying time,
you want power,
paying discipline.
you want freedom,
Build a life that nobody else can limit. Everything has a price, so choose
what you're willing to pay.
People say they want success, but ask them what they are willing to sacrifice.
Sleep,
Comfort,
approval,
years,
because wanting the reward means nothing.
if you refuse the cost.
And remember,
Never pay with your character,
for something,
you can buy with money.
no shortcuts,
No disguise,
every kingdom,
has a price.
cold decisions,
Longer nights,
lose the comfort,
keep the fight.
money fades,
Status dies,
but the man you build survives. Everything has a price,
every empire starts with payment. Every scar beneath the suit is another silent statement. I paid in time, I paid in pain, I paid in nights. I won't regain, but I never pay with who I am, and that is why I won the game. Everything has a price. Choose carefully
what you trade.
A poor man asks,
How much does it cost?
A powerful man asks.
What will it cost me to become the man who can afford it?
Know the difference. Know the difference. Not every opportunity deserves an answer. Not every insult deserves a reaction. Sometimes the strongest move is waiting. I learned patience in the rain. Watch the city change again. Men were running for the door. I was learning something more. Every shortcut has a dip. Every rush decision sits something waiting down the road that eventually gets old. So I stop chasing every chance, stop confusing speed with plans. A man who knows exactly when can lose today and still win then. Black car waiting by the gate, engine running, still I'll wait. Because the difference between kings is knowing when to move the pieces. Don't rush, don't fold. Some victories need time to grow. Read the room, know the signs. Move once, move right. Wait for the moment. Don't move too soon. Let them fill the room with noise. Let them think they know what you'll do. Wait for the moment. Keep your heartbeat cold.
One decision at the right time
Can be worth more than gold. You don't need to win every fight.
You need to know
Which one changes your life? Wait for the moment, then move. I've seen anger kill a deal. Seen emotion change what's real. Seen a man lose everything just because he had to win. That was never gonna be me. I can lose a little ground if it puts me where I need. I can let another speak while I study what he sees. Money rewards a patient mind. Good decisions compound with time. The man who needs it all today usually gives tomorrow away. I don't chase every open door. Some rooms aren't worth entering for. When the right one
finally turns, I already know what it's worth.
Don't rush, don't fold. Some victories need time to grow. Read the room, know the signs. Move once, move right. Wait for the moment. Don't move too soon.
Let them fill the room with noise.
Let them think they know what you'll do. Wait for the moment.
Keep your heartbeat cold. One decision at the right time
Can be worth more than gold. You don't need to win every fight.
You need to know
Which one changes your life? Wait for the moment, then move. Patience is not weakness. Weak men wait because they are afraid. Strong men wait because they are prepared. There is a difference. Know what you want, know what it costs. And when the moment arrives, don't hesitate. No panic, no chase. Cold blood, straight face. One opening, one chance. No emotion, just advance. They move first, I move best. That is why I'm still here. Wait for the moment. Let the pressure rise.
you don't have to show your strength
To the men who underestimate your mind.
Wait for the moment.
Let the whole room turn.
Because patience isn't doing nothing.
It's knowing when to burn. Move too early,
and they see you coming,
move too late,
and the door is gone.
power is knowing the difference.